channel, Life with Laughter. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to create a custom thumbnail for your YouTube videos. And today I'm going to be using Canva. It's a wonderful website that will help you design social media graphics. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Create a Design. And we're going to go down to the Documents and click on the Presentation. And it's a 16 by 9. So you can see it's 16 by 9 right there. And we're going to go ahead and grab a picture. You can upload your pictures and graphics up here so you can easily use it for the content that you're creating. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a picture that I like. And then also with the template, you can do so many things. Here's a frame. It's called a frame, and you can put your picture into the frame to make it look really cute. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and grab some text, because of course you have to have text. Come on now. So we're going to go ahead and move this text where we want it. You can adjust this and just put this baby wherever you want it to go. Custom YouTube. Oh my goodness. Thumbnail. And then we're going to change the size of this baby over here. Maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe we'll move it to like 100. Okay, that's perfect. We're going to go ahead and bold it because you want your text to stand out. Go ahead and highlight it and then press bold. And then another thing I like about this is that you can adjust like the spacing in between the text. So let's bring that up a little more. And I'm going to go ahead back to the elements and add something behind it to make the text pop out more. So this is white. I'm going to go ahead and change to square. First I'm going to make it bigger. Slide it over so it's within the thing. Okay, smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to make it black. Here's the color right there. You can make whatever color you want to, but for this I'm going to want to make it black, and I'm going to position it behind the text. I'm going to move it backwards, and you can't see it because the text is black, but now that you can highlight the text to change the color of the text. And so go right to that A with all the colors, and that's the colors. We're going to make it white, and there you go with that. And you can also put graphics in. So let's go to graphics, and then I'm just going to put YouTube. And they'll have some free graphics that you can get. They also have ones that you can buy, but hey, I love anything for bargain, anything that's free, go get it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. It'll let you know it'll say free on it, or it'll say how much it cost. And let's go and put that there. Move the picture out of the way. And look at, we got a custom YouTube thumbnail. Literally took minutes to make. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And all you have to do now is just download it. Go ahead and just use the JPEG. They have different sizes, but we're just going to go and use JPEG for this thumbnail because, as you know, thumbnails are very small. So it's downloaded right there. And we're going to go ahead and go to File and go to Move To, and we're going to put it on our desktop so we can easily access it when we're trying to upload it to YouTube. So once you do that, it'll be right there, what you just made. You click on it, double check it, and there you go. How to create a custom YouTube thumbnail. Very simple, very straightforward. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, if you learned something, go ahead and like this video and go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to be making more videos like this in the future. And if you want to know how to upload your custom YouTube thumbnail to your YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe for sure, because I'm going to be making another video about that. So go ahead and look out for that, and I hope it helped you. Okay, this is Life with Laughter, and remember, you can never fail if you be yourself. You will never fail if you be yourself. Yourself never fail.